Hi, I'm Bali Kehel from Social 27. We are an AI company based out of Redmond, Washington. Organizations are increasingly building their business models and making decisions based on data-driven insights. However, many organizations struggle to build a data-first business. I hope you can relate to that. Luckily, Microsoft has recently announced their Power Platform, which gives any business the power to automate, orchestrate, and drive insights. So we here at Social 27 have been using PowerBI and Microsoft Flow. By the way, Flow is renamed to PowerAutomate now, so I'll refer to it as PowerAutomate. And I want to kind of share our journey with you and show you how Power Platform can help you integrate your workflows and drive your business by leveraging AI and data and the same way which we did. So Social 27 focused on intelligence-first business models and have a suite of solutions that in combination with cognitive services and Power Platform, and we provide a less fiction or a no fiction bias journey through our product suite. So from operations to customer-facing interactions, all are kind of part of our suite. While we automate most of our business operations with Power Platform, we enable our clients with automating their marketing and sales efforts by giving their buyers highly customized content and rich insights on how their marketing content is landing with their potential customers. Plus, it all ties into Microsoft Teams, so we keep everything at one place, all of data, conversations, and workflows. So let me get you a little bit more familiar with the core technologies of Power Platform and how we at Social 27 are using and leveraging it, and how you can enable it within your organizations for your critical or common workloads. The first is Power BI. So Power BI is Microsoft's business analytics platform. So we use it to collect business data from multiple sources and quickly visualize that data through dashboards and via drag and drop features through the interface. And all of this, you can see what would be the end user's intent by doing this analysis. So for sales, we drive something called the intent qualified lead. It's called the IQL. And this is like, a better lead or a better, quality lead than MQL, which a lot of the sales and marketing folks are very, familiar with. So this accelerates the buying journey by making decisions based on customer intent rather than any other way, The next is Microsoft Flow, which is now called PowerAutomate. So Flow is Microsoft's workflow automation engine, connecting and automating all your workflows to make your customers work more seamless, efficient, and effective by using these, different, automation features. So we use Flow to create automations for our AI assistant, for our bots, and which, on the back end, we connect them with third-party providers. We bring in, all the different, third-party connectors which are available out of the box through PowerAutomate. The final piece of Power Platform is PowerApps. So Microsoft's app development platform, it is pretty amazing. This platform has given Social 27 business users the power to create, manage, and share applications using templates and connectors to Microsoft's native and partner applications. So the Power Platform also lets you securely store and manage data from business applications with their Common Data Service, also called CDS. So this Common Data Service, we are leveraging it highly at Social 27. We kind of, leverage the standard entities that cover typical scenarios in our day-to-day, business workloads. And we also create custom entities which are specific to, a customer's need and populate that with, data using things like Power Query. So this enables us to create our business-focused definition of our customers' organization data, very seamlessly, easily, and it's super integrated within the full platform. Also, entities with Common Data Service ensure that data quality is supreme and and reduces the repetitive code in each app and that creates a more crisp, clear data and uses data within a given entity or within the custom entities which we create. So with all these three solutions, and of course, backed by the common data service, all of them in one platform, businesses like yours can take an intelligent first approach to business models and also enabling you to analyze data better, to build solutions faster, and automate processes across your organizations like we have been able to do. So for those who are new to this approach, Microsoft has provided 3 free short learning paths to help businesses get started on their data-driven goals. These paths include introduction to your common data service, how to automate business processes using PowerAutomate, and how to consume data with PowerBI, which is pretty amazing, and it's a very intuitive learning path. Again, to learn more about how to automate and accelerate your buyer's journey, go to social27.com. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and never miss a beat. Well, thanks for your time. Bye.